Today I will be unboxing my Sucree hair. This is a 16-inch ponytail, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it is in a nice box like this. I kind of already opened it up, and first and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give my full and honest review. So the ponytail itself does come with netting, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the netting, but it is a nice wavy wig. It also comes with two cute clips right here, so let me go ahead and give you a close-up. It's a little star and just a little regular clips. Let me take them out. I want to show you. Little nice star clip, and then this one is just a regular clip. Super cute. So let's go ahead and try this ponytail on. I think my hair is a little lighter right now, so the ponytail itself might be a little dark for my hair color, but I still want to go ahead and try it on, just see what it looks like, how it clips. Very, very nice soft hair. As you can see, it has a lot of waves. Super nice natural wave, not too wavy, not too curly, just right. Very, very pretty color. It is like a chocolate brown color. Take a look, and this is synthetic hair. If you go like this, if you press on the sides, it is going to go ahead and open, strong clip. It does have this little strap down here, so you could go ahead and tuck in your natural hair in here, and you could go ahead and adjust that. So it does have this little drawstring right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair back, and then let's try this on, see what it looks like. Okay, I went ahead and clipped in the ponytail. As you could see, very, very nice long ponytail. Super cute. I probably just need to go one color, one shade lighter, but overall the hair itself is very, very nice. It was easy to put on my hair. I simply just pulled my hair back, tied it in a little bun, and then went ahead and tucked my hair inside of the clip. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around and show you what that looks like. So overall, if you're looking for a clip-in ponytail, I would definitely recommend. This one is super cute. I love how easy it is to brush my fingers through here. It's not getting tangled, feels very nice and soft, looks natural, and overall, I would definitely recommend.